Hi, greetings from Khaled. Welcome to our channel Fiverr Crest Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to make order in an e-commerce and shopping website and get the products delivered. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for a beginner to any level of online customer and you will enjoy the lesson. So this is an e-commerce and shopping website from Fiverr Crest. Here I will explain complete online purchase procedure. Start from making your cart, submit your order to the shop and until checkout. Hope you will enjoy the tutorial. There are some categories. You can choose your product by categories. All block print product is shown here. Each product has its price and you can add to cart any of this product. Let's going to add one product. In the top right there is cart symbol. Product will be added there. Let's edit it. Add to cart. Added. Product appears within the cart. Let's choose another more product. We can choose any of the product. Second product is going to add a third product. Let's add it also. Now three product is added. We can view the cart. View cart. Total cart appears with products and price. Quantity is there. We can reduce or increase quantity. Then price is going to be updated. Product quantity changed and price updated. This is the total price. Cart updated. This is your final cart. You are going to submit the cart. Proceed to checkout. Here you need to place your shipping address. Let's place billing address, first name, then last name, Anis Ahmed, company name is optional, no need to give, country, street address, it is your actual address with apartment number, road number, flat number, whatever. Town or city. Zip code is optional, no need to give. Phone, email, address. We are placing. You need to give your phone number so that supplier can contact you for delivery. Your email address. You can create your account here. Let's check everything is correct. Total amount, cart summary, your payment method, direct bank transfer, cash on delivery. More payment method can be used here. Billing address is same as shipping address, or you can use different address for shipping. you need to change your email address because previous email address is used someone already. So new email address, it will be your, this email address will be your new user ID. Place order. You are submitting your order to supplier. Yes, order submission successful. Your order is submitted. Total amount, your user ID, payment method, cash on delivery, your items, total amount, your delivery address, shipping address. Supplier is going to make delivery to your shipping address. You can change your password also. You can log out from your account, come to main site. Now we are showing you the complete order process. There are actually 4 steps. First, you can inbox through Facebook, or you can submit through card. What we have done right now, we submitted the product. First one is submitting the product order, then confirmation of product order. Third one is packing and sending. Fourth one is goods receiving and make payment. The order process is explained in detail in below steps. There is only 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the complete process, so that you can make your cart and submit it to supplier or shop and get the things delivered to your doorstep. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you need any more help regarding the e-commerce site, there are some resource links you can check below this video. This is responsive view in mobile device. Just refresh it. This is the front view. Thanks for watching.